The figure here shows the basic storage element, which is an SR latch, or we also call this as an RS latch, reset set or set reset latch, using NOR gate. And the truth table of the NOR gate is shown here in order for us to understand the operation of this latch, and thereby we can come up with what we call as a characteristic table for this particular latch. Okay, to start with, let us assume that, so I am putting 1 and 0 here. For example, I am setting S equal to 1, R equal to 0. Actually, I don't know the output values at the start of this analysis, because I don't know what is the feedback output for here, because I don't know the input from here. But when we see from the truth table, we can see if one of the input is high, your output is 0, right? That means irrespective of this lead, since this is 1, so this will produce a 0, right? From here, either 0 1 1 0 or 1 1, output is 0. So in this case it is 0 here. Then the 0 0 0 0 will produce 1 on the Q here. So the output is 1 0 here. So when S equal to 1, R equal to 0, Q equal to 1, and Q bar equal to 0 here. Okay, now I change this S to become 0. When this becomes 0, 1 0 1 0 will produce 0. That means it will remain in the same state, right? Q bar will remain in the same state. Then 0 0, the 0 will go here, 0 0, that is the 1 will remain in the same state. So the 1 will remain in the same state. So this state is what we call as a memory, because it is copying the previous state. Okay, now we change the R to become 1 now, for example. So now what will happen is, when this becomes 1 1 0, so this will become 0, right? 0 0 will produce 1 here. So as you can see, from Q bar is 1, Q is 0 here. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so now we change both of the input to become 1. So I change this one to become 1 here. When this becomes 1, if any one of the input is high, as you know that from here, any one of the input here high, so the output will be 0, right? So which is this one. So with this state is unacceptable condition, or we call this also as a forbidden state, or the state that is not acceptable for the given conditions. So I hope this will help you to understand better. Thank you very much.